tonight is date night and I'm so excited because we're making chili, we're making apple crisp, Ryan's picking the movies, and we're carving pumpkins. Cozy date night? I think so. Time to check off all the fall festivities. Here we go. All right, for our fall dinner, I am making us some chili before we carve some pumpkins. It's gonna be so good. Nothing I love more than a fall chili. I have this recipe in my perfect fall day video, which I'll link up above. While the chili is cooking, I am preparing the apple crisp. And I like to keep my peels on. I just think it has a lot of nutrients in them, so I keep them, and it's pretty colorful, which I like as well. The best part is the crumble topping. Extra crisp, please. Chili in the bowls and some cheese, and now we are going to start carving pumpkins. I almost forgot to get the apple cider out, and it is, look at that, steaming hot. Here's our little setup for the evening, a little date night. Got our dinner, our apple cider, and a pumpkin carving station. So cute. How do you like the chili?
It's good.
It's really good?
Mm-hmm.
I enjoy it too.
Crackers.
Your Ritz crackers?
Yep.
Your haircut looks really good. You look so cute. Do you know what you're gonna use as the pattern for your pumpkin? We have so many patterns here. I think I did a really crazy one the other day. I'll show you guys. But I think I might just go simple jack-o'-lantern. Ryan put on one of my favorite Halloweens, Halloween 20 years later, so I can get ready for the new one. Woo! Time to get the guts out. Ha 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 ha. Can't wait to bake these seeds. Are you scared? I'm scared. The crisp is done. And because I like texture, Ryan does not, I add pecans afterwards so that he doesn't have to pick them off. Here's my inspiration, the Halloween Town pumpkin. Let's see if I can recreate it. I love Michael Myers.
As we dissect terror.
Not LL Cool J. Oh. I forgot about that part. I thought he survived.
Who?
The boyfriend. He just murdered. I finished carving. Now he's going to light his pumpkin and we'll see the final results. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. It's really good.
Oh, the top is too big again. It's like falling through.
Looks good though.
Time to separate all the seeds from the gook. Ready, Ryan? Your favorite part. I made 2 different pumpkin seeds. This one is just salt, and then this one is pumpkin pie spice and some more cinnamon in there. Time to put it in the oven. Here we go. Yummy. Okay, this is the one I did tonight. I did this one on Sunday night. I think that's one of my best ever. And then Ryan did this one tonight. Turned out so cute. Love them. Such a fun thing to do for date night. Well, that's a wrap on date night, and I think it went very successfully. I cannot wait to try those pumpkin seeds. They're still in the oven. But yeah, I just wanted to show you our cozy little date night and how we make it simple at home. It's just as romantic and just as fun as going out. And I just want to remind you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click that little bell if you want to be notified whenever I put up a new video. I know that I forget to do that and then I miss out on some of my favorite YouTubers videos. So make sure you don't miss out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!